What if one small accident could cost you your entire business? Would you be prepared? Whether you're a tutor, run a daycare, or teach music lessons, having the right insurance can be the difference between a minor bump in the road and a financial disaster. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to get insurance for your education business in the United States. It's easier than you think, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to protect your business and keep doing what you love. Let's jump right in. Why do education businesses need insurance? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's first answer the big question: why do you even need insurance for your education business? Well, accidents happen, especially when you're working with children or students. Whether it's someone tripping and getting hurt, or an expensive instrument getting damaged, insurance makes sure you're not left footing the bill. Think about it: what if you drop a student's violin, or someone claims you didn't deliver the services they expected? With the right insurance, you're covered from paying those expenses all on your own. In short, having insurance means you can teach without worrying about all the what-ifs. Check out the link in the description box below. Now, let's talk about the types of insurance you need and how to get started. Step 1. Understand the types of insurance you need. The first step in getting the right insurance for your education business is understanding the different types of insurance available to you. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. General liability insurance. General liability insurance is usually the first type of insurance that most teachers and child care providers need. This covers two major things: injuries to other people and damage to property that isn't yours. Say you're running a daycare and you accidentally ruin a parent's jacket or a kid gets hurt while playing in your classroom. General liability insurance helps cover the cost of those accidents. Professional liability insurance. Now, professional liability insurance is a little different. It covers you if someone claims that you didn't deliver the services you promised. Let's say you're tutoring a student for a big exam, but the student doesn't do well, and the parents blame you. Professional liability insurance helps cover legal defense costs in case they decide to take action. Both general and professional liability insurance are essential, especially if you're signing contracts with schools or renting a space for your classes. These two cover most of the everyday risks teachers face. Step 2. Customize your insurance based on your needs. Your insurance policy should be tailored to your specific business needs. This includes the type of teaching you do, where you teach, and whether or not you have employees. Here's the deal: if you're running a daycare, your risks are going to be different than if you're teaching online art classes. That's why it's important to get a policy that's made for your specific profession. For example, if you're teaching at different locations or driving to students' homes, you might need commercial auto insurance. If you have assistants or employees, workers' compensation is a must. Step 3. Compare quotes and get instant coverage. Once you've figured out the type of insurance you need, it's time to compare quotes and get covered. The good news is, this part is super easy. Companies like Next Insurance offer quick and easy online options to get a customized quote. You can do everything online, from getting a quote to purchasing your coverage, and even getting instant proof of insurance in just 10 minutes. And here's the best part: you can save up to 25% in discounts with instant coverage and even more when you bundle policies. So if you're looking for both general liability and professional liability insurance, bundling them can be a great way to save. Step 4. Know when to add extra coverage. Now, basic liability insurance is a good start, but depending on your business, you might need to add a little extra protection. Workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation insurance is super important if you have employees. It helps cover medical bills and lost wages if someone gets hurt on the job. Let's say you run a daycare and one of your teachers gets injured while working on an art project. Workers' comp helps cover their medical bills and lost wages while they recover. In most states, it's required by law if you have employees, so make sure to check your state's regulations. Commercial auto insurance. If you drive for work, commercial auto insurance is something to consider. Your personal auto insurance may not cover you if you get into an accident while driving to a student's home or between different teaching locations. In this case, commercial auto insurance would step in to help cover the damages and any related costs. Step 5. Keep your coverage up to date. The final step in getting insurance for your education business is making sure you keep your coverage up to date. As your business grows or changes, your insurance needs may change too. For example, if you hire new staff or start offering new types of classes, you might need to adjust your coverage. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you're always protected, no matter what. Final thoughts. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to getting the right insurance for your education business in the United States. To recap, start by understanding the types of insurance you need, customize your policy, compare quotes online, and don't forget to add extra coverage if necessary. Most importantly, make sure to keep your policy updated as your business evolves. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.